Hello, Dr. Friday is here today. I want to show you how to use trend function to make sales forecasts. Okay, and trend function help you to make sales forecasts based on your historical data. This function is powerful tool for forecasting and can deliver useful understanding for decision making. Okay, so let's go in and demonstrate it. Now you have this data from January to December. These are historical data. Then you have these independent variables. All right. So if you don't have figures in this independent variable and you just fill it with a serial number, one to the numbers of observations in that data set. Okay. So in this case, now we are using serial number, right? So you come and say equals to trend, and take this range and take the independent range. Okay, you ensure that the range, okay, the range are the same. You can see that you have C2 into C13, B2 into B13. If you have 14 here now, it will give you a wrong result. So it must be the same range. All right, so the new X is this, press command, then add true, enter. All right, you can see that we have made a projection, okay, based on our historical data. All right, so you can fix this in a graph quickly as possible. All right, choose any graph that addresses your needs. Now I want to select scatter graph. I'm okay with it. All right, so come and you can beautify it for presentation because this is a visual graph for visualization of your data sets. Okay, you can come and add more styles to it. We want to add color, add color here for what you are doing. All right, then you can add background color. Add background color to it if that's what you want. Okay, and can change this to any of the color styles, okay, that you want. All right, so you just make it beautiful for presentation. All right, so now we can, if we have any data that is high above the normal, these other data here, high above or low above, then you will not create an outlier. If we come here now, we have 500, okay, in July. You see now, outlier has been created. Okay, and what is outlier? Outlier are data points that significantly deviate from the majority of values in a data set. Okay, so one way you can address is to remove them or investigate them. All right, so if this video is useful to you, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, and make comments so that we can always improve on what we are doing. All right, so subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can always get an update from me. All right, thank you.